Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive plant store website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. Now let's go through the website. Okay, we are in the home section. You can see the hover effect on the uh, navbar elements, and you can see that we have an theme change button that is from light mode to dark mode. You can change the theme of the website. You can see, then we have an explore button, and you can see the hover effect, the movement of the icon as well, arrow icon, and you can see the hover effect on the social media icons, as well as how we have done this icons we placed at the right hand side. You can see how neatly we have aligned them. Then we can go to the next section. You can see this is the about section, and we have integrated the tick icons into here, as well as we have added the shop now button, and you can see the hover effect on them. And you can see as we move to the next section, we got an arrow button which will make us move back to the starting page. So it is available when you go downside. This is a JavaScript functionality that we have added to it. And then we can go to the product section, and you can see in the product section, whenever you hover onto it, the image is moving, which is the hover effect that we have added here. And you can see how perfectly and neatly we have aligned each and everything. Then we can go to the steps, and you can see the hover effect, and we can see that perfectly alignment as well as edge techniques, as well as we have done a shadow effect to this box icons. Then we can go to the next section is the FAQ section, and you can see we have added functionality here. So whenever you click on it, it will open up the remaining answer. You can see these are like questions that we are getting an answer whenever we click on it, and it will close when we are not using it. And then we can go to the contact me section. You can see how the placeholder values are changing when we're trying to enter the data, and the submit button, and you can see we have added the phone as well as email icons also. And you can see this is to subscribe to our newsletter, and then you can see the our address, contact, the social media icons, as well as we have added the rate cards. And you can see we can go back to the starting page by clicking on the up arrow button. And you can, as I've told you already, this is also available in the dark mode. You can see this. You can see it will retain the exact theme that has already been used by the user. So it is actually storing that theme value that okay, last time the user has used the dark theme, so even after refreshing the page you will get the dark theme only. That is the functionality that we have added using the JavaScript. And you can see the smooth transition effect. You can see perfectly getting the transition, no delays, and very much giving a very professional look to your website. And definitely this website has a very good chances of for you to get more knowledge on the front-end web development, as well as this website is responsive, so it is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. Now let's go to the mobile version. So let me show you the mobile version of the website. You can see this is the mobile version of the website, and as you see we can go from each and every section is perfectly aligned based on the size of the section, and there are no such a certain uncertainty things. You can see perfectly aligned images and all, and we have the theme change button at the top, as well as we have the navbar. You can see quick navbar with a quick references, so that we can be able to move the particular sections easily, and very frequent and very responsive. The menu bar we have here, and you can see that we have an up arrow button. We can simply go back to the starting location, and this website is really responsive. That is, it is also available in tab version. You can see this is the tab version of the website, perfectly aligned, perfectly spaced each and every section. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and the website has the dark mode and light mode functionality to it, and it also retains the mode, the theme that we have already used by the user, and it has the responsive web design. Lot of functionalities added to this website. If you like this website, definitely try to visit our channel for full tutorial, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. The entire website is made for professional use, for professional use only. You can use it for your resume, you can showcase your projects over there, and it will be a very good impression for your recruiters for your first job that you are looking for. It is a very professional website, portfolio website, and you can make it. It's a very beginner friendly website. Right now we are in the home page. We can see home, skills, qualification, achievements, projects, and contact me. You can see the hover effect on the navbar elements. You can see the theme change button, that is to change from light mode to dark mode. When you click on it, you can change it from light mode to dark mode. It gives a very good functionality to this professional portfolio website. And you can see we have added our image exactly at the center, and we have the information, the biography. Then we added our icons like in LinkedIn, GitHub, and Twitter. And we also have the skills section, and you can see whenever we hover on the skills section, the images will move. This is the hover effect that we have added. Then we have the education and experience section. You can see how neatly we have aligned them. Then we have the achievement section. You can see hover effect on them. The icons will rotate 360 degrees, as well as we'll get an border line. Then we have our projects, because we are using swiper.js JavaScript library. So we have this functionality that we have added. You can see, and you can see the demo button also. Whenever we hover onto it, the arrow will move forward, and you can see this is the contact me form. We have added the informations like our email, WhatsApp number, as well as Telegram. And you can see the border effect whenever we try to enter the data into the input elements. You can see border changes to darker color, that is focus element. Then we have the send button. You can see this is the footer. This is the arrow button to move back to the starting page. As I told you before, this website has light and dark mode. This is the dark mode of the website, and you can see how smooth transition is taking place. The animation is very smooth. How detailing I have done in this project. Is a very responsive portfolio website that you can use for your resume, for your first impression to your recruiters. It will give a very professional look to your resume also. The website is entirely responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. Let me show you the mobile version. You can see this is the mobile version of the website. You can see how perfectly they have all been aligned. And you can see that the menu bar I have added at the bottom. At the bottom, you can see I have added the menu bar here. You can see giving an app-like look to the menu bar elements. Just like we open in our mobile phone, right? It gives a very professional look to your website, and the recruiter will be very impressive how you have made it look like a very professional app. You can use your resume too, and you can change the theme here by changing the theme button, which is right beside it, beside the menu element. It gives a very professional look to your resume, and it will give you a very good impression. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is a very beginner-friendly project. You can make this. The source code is available in the description, and the full tutorial is all. It will be also be available on the YouTube channel. Definitely try to visit the channel. There are a lot of websites that I've built, and each and every line of code is being explained. Full tutorials are added into the YouTube channel every day. So definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing content. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now let's go to the website. Right now we are in the home page. You can see the hover effect that is done by using the before and after effect in the CSS, and you can see that continuously looping information about the person like graphic designer, video editor. This is done by using typed JavaScript library. Then we have a hover effect on the button, and you can see a box shadow effect around the portfolio image and having a very curved edge towards the right hand top side. You can see giving a very professional look to your website. Then we can see the social media icons at the bottom. Hover effect changes the color of the icons. Then we can go to the next section, that is our skill section. You can see skills section has two containers. One is for technical skills and one is for professional skills. And here you can see the box shadow effect that I have been done, and I've also added the icons here. You can see JavaScript, Python, CSS, and HTML, and we have created a bar effect that will display the percentage of proficiency that we have in that particular skill. You can see that is also for there for the professional skills also. Then we can go to the education section. You can see for the education section, we have added the image as well as the details like what degree you have done and the small information that you can provide about your education. Then we can go to the careers page. In the careers page, you can see a small description that is done here, and we have created this professional summary icon by using the CSS styling, and at the same time for the same career goals also. And here you can see we have created a box shadow effect card which gives a 3D look to the website that to the professional website. And you can see we have added some main information here like long-term and short-term goals. Then we can go to the testimonial section, and in the testimonial section you can see we have integrated an image inside a text and giving a very professional look testimonial section where the other people have given information about you, how you work about, and you can see the very professionally done box shadow effect here that is added to them. And you can go to the contact me section, and you can see for the contact me section I have also added the envelope icon here, and you can see this is the contact me form, name, email, and message. And you can see the whole effect on the button, and you can also see the icons that I've added here like email, phone, and address icons. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and this website is also available in mobile view as well as in tab view, which gives the professional website a responsive professional website. And let me show you the this is the mobile version. See, this is the desktop version, and this is the mobile version of the portfolio website, and you can see perfectly aligned exactly at the center. And you can see we have a menu bar on the top giving a blur effect to the main source, and we can see a glass morphism type skill section that has been created here. We can see home, skills, education, and testimonial section, and when you click on it, it will post back up again. This gives a very professional look to your website, and the entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description, and if you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing tutorials and portfolios. A lot of front-end work, front-end and back-end works you can get from our YouTube channel. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section for the next project that I should work on, or any suggestions that you want to tell me. So let's go from the first section. In the home section, you can see I have added the social media icons as well as GitHub and Twitter. Then we have the contact button. You can see the hover effect on the contact button. You can also see the hover effect on the nav bar. You can see contact me and the button for light mode and dark mode. So I'm changing for light and dark mode. Then you can see the smooth animation effect, scrolling effect. Then we have the download CV button. Next in the skills section, you can see I have added button effect. You can see, and when you open one, the other one will process automatically. Then we have the service section. In the services section, you can see web designer, UI designer, branding designer, and you can see this also with close on box model effect as we click on the service that we want to know more about. You can see next we have the portfolio section. You can see the demo button. You can see the swiper function using the swiper.js library. Then we have the testimonial section. You can see the testimonials by some of my clients. Next we have the contact section. You can see the smooth animation, and I have used the type function in the email. In the form elements, you can see the hover effect on the button, then you see single social media icons, quick links, and top bar button. If you go back to the first page, then we can go to the, you can also have this website in the dark mode. You can see social media icon, you can see the hover effect, the entire website in the dark mode. You can see the smooth animation and transition effect. Swiper.css file, Swiper.js is used in this website design. This website is totally responsive, that is also available in the mobile version. Let me show you the desktop version. Now let's go through the mobile version. You can see the mobile version. The smooth transition effect and the navbar is available in the below. You can see you can move from one section to another section. It gives a very professional app view to your website, and it is also available in dark mode. So the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Definitely try to build this project. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Now let's go through the each and every page. Right now we are in the home page. You can see the nav bar, and you can see the hover effect, underline hover effect, as well as we have included the icons into our nav bar, like the briefcase, fire, as well as home icon. And you can see the Abhiram is highlighted, and we have created a mask using SVG. Then we have the contact. You can see the hover effect, box shadow effect over it, and you can see that we have integrated the social media icons, as well as whenever you hover onto it, the color changes. Then you can see that the smooth transition revealing effect is done by using the JavaScript, and you can see the box shadow effect around each and every skill that we have added. And you can see we have also integrated the icons here. Then we can go to the portfolio section, and in the portfolio section you can see when we hover onto it, we will get an page layout, a blur layout, where you can see we have also linked our Instagram, Facebook, and GitHub links, so that you can be able to view this website, the portfolio, the projects that we have previously worked upon. Then we can go to the about section. You can see small about section we have here, and then we have the contact me form. You can see that the smooth revealing effect is done by using the JavaScript library, and the animation is very pure. It is a very responsive portfolio website. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in desktop version. Let me show you the website to you. This is the desktop version. Now let's go to the mobile version of this website. So this is the mobile version of this website. As you can see, this they are perfectly aligned with each and every section is aligned to the exact size of the page. And you can see that we have also added our menu bar here. You can see the menu bar, clearly menu bar, very responsive and moving with a precision to the particular section that we want. And this entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it is a very beginner friendly website. It is a very much professional website that you can use for your recruiting purposes, also for your resume projects, for your school projects or college projects. The entire website source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Definitely let me know any suggestions in the comment section, and any suggestions if you want to give me also, please let me know in the comment section. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for more tutorials and for awesome front-end web development, definitely try to visit the channel. Thank you.